What dessert should we make? This is brownie. This is brownie. Brownie. What dessert should we make? This is cake. This is cake. Cake. What dessert should we make? This is chocolate. This is chocolate. Chocolate. What dessert should we make? This is cookie. This is cookie. Cookie. What dessert should we make? This is donut. This is donut. Donut. What dessert should we make? This is ice cream. This is ice cream. Ice cream. What dessert should we make? This is lollipop. This is lollipop. Lollipop. What dessert should we make? This is a muffin. This is a muffin. Muffin. What dessert should we make? This is pie. This is pie. Pie. What dessert should we make? This is pudding. This is pudding. Pudding.